Chris, you know the recording industry, the music industry has been dealt a savage blow by CD pirates and internet pirates. A lot of record shops that used to exist no longer exist because the customers who used to go to these shops no longer go to these shops. Not because they don't love music, not because they don't get music, but they no longer get their music from the shops. They get their music from pirates who, on the road, they sell 5 of the latest CDs or 5 of the best vintage CDs for £10. That's £2 each. How can the shop owners match those prices? Chris, you're open 6 days a week, and sometime now you have given up your full-time job otherwise to devote yourself to the shop, selling music, mostly vinyl as we can see. You sell a few CDs, but we grew up with vinyl. And you're doing productions by many other artists and so on. But how badly have you been affected? I know you have been affected by the internet and CD piracy.
Well, greatly, I'm afraid, because if you put a CD out, you're making a master. And from the public have the master.
That's it.
They also can manufacture the CD very cheaply at home. Back in the days when the blank CDs came out, there was a lot of money for them. But they've made them cheaper and cheaper. And of course, black music being at the bottom, when it's really at the top, suffers the most. So from anybody has a master, they can reproduce many, many more the CDs. So even the invention of the digital sites is not really of a great benefit because
it aids the piracy.
It aids the piracy.
Accessibility for the pirates.
Of course, because they have to buy it one time off of iTunes, and then they have it.
And what is ridiculous with iTunes, because as you know, I'm a producer, the Mandingo label, is that when you people, I don't give my music to iTunes. I don't do any deals with them. Because I've seen whereby producers who give their music to iTunes, they get a pittance. They get a pittance for their stuff. You're getting several pence for a song or several cents for a song.
I think you get, I think iTunes only sell, is it at 99 pence a track, I think? 99 pence.
In some cases,
and they
it's even 6.
Yeah,
exactly.
But they take, after their cost, I think you end up with about 60 something.
60 something pence.
As you said. I mean, it's mad because, I mean, obviously I grew up in the vinyl age where even from Jamaica, which is the place we all look to for reggae music, now there's no industry in Jamaica because no one don't press records in Jamaica again. I still manufacture records. It costs more to make records and
you don't sell as many?
No, you don't sell as many because there's not many shops. Before there was many shops in London, Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool, everywhere you could go and sell records.
More from Mandingo in a short while, but now let's take the second of the festival song in this year's popular song competition held in Jamaica yearly just to celebrate the richness of the Jamaican culture, and this year's theme is I Believe in Jamaica. Here is song number 2. This is Deru with No Way No Better.
Although we rough, no way no better than yard. The living might have tough, no way no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. Although it rough, no way no better than yard. The living might have tough, no way no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. Now every day a different scene, a different need. It's hard just to feel it now. In the streets we often see emergencies, cause some people killing, But when I look around, I see the sunshine, the green mountain hustling and the blue sky. The world is a time bomb, so me realize. And anywhere you go, you have to fight. So tell them, say, I know it's rough, no way no better than yard. The living might and tough, no way no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. No. Although it's rough, no way no better than yard. The living might and tough, no way no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. Now every week the prices rise, the people try, and somehow we make it. Our leaders keep the taxes high, but it's alright. Me nah run well if it cause we love we beach and we love we fish fry. We love the reggae beat when the volume is high. We love tech, we culture, send it worldwide. So in spite of everything, yeah. Although it's rough, no way no better than yard. The living might have tough, no way no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. Yeah. Although it's rough, no way no better than yard. The living might have tough, no way no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. I don't want to go nowhere but yard.
Greetings, my name is Mandingo. I'm in the heart of Harlesden at 17 Craven Park Road, London Northwest 10. Harlesden is the reggae capital of Britain. Starlight Records is one of the shops that originally started as one of the retail shops in Music City, chain of shops, which was part of Trojan Records, one of the biggest reggae distributors of music in Britain. And Starlight Records, under the management and ownership of Piracy, who is behind me here in the shop, has also been suffering from the negative effects of CD and internet piracy in the business. Piracy has been here for many years, but CD piracy and internet piracy has wreaked havoc in the music industry. A lot of customers that he used to have, he no longer have these customers because they are getting their CDs from pirates who are selling 5 CDs for £10, or they simply stay at home, go on the internet and steal people's music. It's just your love of the business why you're still here. Because you have rates to pay, all forms of taxes. Sometimes the staff that you have to pay, you have to lay off people because you can't afford to pay staff.
Mandingo, as you say, we're hurting tremendously because at the moment, it's like you say, it's just a love, really. I mean, every morning I contemplate, I say, what am I here for? Because, you know, but like it says, I've been in it so long, you know, so you